Investigators captured pictures and video proof that they were violating state orders regarding masks and indoor dining service. Fox 17's Julie Dunmire explains why those businesses say that the Liquor Commission cannot enforce the order.
Where I seen the sign, we are open for dining, so I just...
Champs Bar in Lakeview, Fremont Bowling Alley, and Jimmy's Roadhouse in Newaygo all faced losing their liquor licenses.
It was obvious to me that this was not a takeout scenario.
That's a state investigator for the Michigan Liquor Control Commission testifying Friday to what she saw at Jimmy's, Fremont Bowling, and in Lakeview, at all different locations with very similar stories. And she was there for all three, taking photos and video.
Several tables with patrons sitting inside, eating food, consuming beverages, staff mingling around.
Fox 17 was there the day Jimmy's was open as well and captured this video. Jimmy's also continued to operate despite being made aware they were in violation of the health code. The same attorney, Steve Kallman, represented all three clients in West Michigan with the same argument that there was no proof people got COVID specifically at any of these locations, while not denying it's a public health risk, but saying cases can't be connected to gatherings at those locations.
Well, I would say that there hasn't been evidence presented today that that's enough to warrant a suspension. That's what I would submit, is that there were no studies presented today. There was no underlying data or facts for why that's a public health and safety risk. We're all just assuming.
The state saying cases of COVID shouldn't have to be proven to know they are possible and putting people at risk by not wearing masks and gathering in large groups. The judge agreeing, saying they're not denying COVID, but the judge did agree to hear Kallman's evidence that based on previous cases,
the commission is acting outside of its scope of authority by enforcing a health order.
The state's attorneys in all cases denying that, saying the proof is clear. The violations have been obviously caught, saying they have the right to enforce rules that prove a risk to public health.
This is the commission enforcing their own rule.
Reporting Julie Dunmire, Fox 17 News.